this week is the Virtual Hangar User Workshop, where we've got members from all across services, and this year we've even added partners and vendors to come and showcase what's going on in the world of XR.
And I truly believe here today, this industry is really promoting that collaboration to understand what the needs are, where those limitations can be addressed, and how we can develop the answers and the technology in a way that not just Design Interactive does, but we do that with our other vendor partners like Mass Virtual.
It means everything to have spaces like this. It's really important for people to get together in the context of a bigger conversation and to really be able to have a longer discussion with some back and forth and some question and answer. Just super excited to keep working with Mass Virtual and the other companies and really to help identify what are the key stakeholders and the key movers and shakers in the ecosystem that are willing to really go ahead and put innovation first.
The most important thing to walk away with is that the best solutions are built with collaboration. The more input we can get from everybody, the more we can make it a better product that makes it easy on the implementation within whatever infrastructure and ecosystem you're working within. Collaboration is key to making sure we deliver the exact solution that you need at the point of need.